Hey guys, to supplement today's blog post for the Simple Beauty Routine, I wanted to do a video so that you guys could see what it's like in real time. It should take roughly around 5 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and get everything prepped so that I don't have to search for anything while I'm filming. So let me go over the products with you really fast and then we'll get started. Okay, so this is one of my basics. I've been using this for years. I use it as my moisturizer. It has an SPF. I love it. It does a quick cover and it's perfect for when I'm on the go. My under eye concealer is this NYX HD. I love this. I just started using this a few months ago, so it's really been great, and I use it with a beauty blender. And then for my contour palette, I use Smashbox, very worn. And then for my bronzer, I use Bare Minerals in High Dive, also very used, but it has lasted a long time. And then to bake my eyes, I used e.l.f. It was like $3, and I'll show you how I bake, but this is really great. And then for my blush, I got this at TJ Maxx, and I'll see if I can try to link it. It's called All About Blush by Style Essentials. But anyways, it has like a great palette for like any of your makeup needs. I usually use this peach one and this bronze one, and I blend them together. And then let me see. This is going to be my lip liner. It's by NYX, or is it NYX? I don't know what it is. Anyways, it is called Nude Truffle, and then I use their Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. Okay, so, and one more thing. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the NYX Infinite Shadow. And it's in bronze. ISS09. So it's in bronze. And then for my eyebrows, because as you can see, I'm a redhead and they are very light. And this is my Quick Fix. It's by Anastasia of Beverly Hills, and it's tinted brow gel. And I got this at Sephora, but there are so many cheaper ones on the market now. And once this runs out, I'm going to try the less expensive versions because, that's how I do. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me set the timer. Echo, put 5 minutes on the timer.
5 minutes.
Alright, you got it. Alright, so a squirt, rub it in. Then I go to my concealer. Sorry, I've never done my makeup backwards like this, but then you're going to get your beauty blender wet. Blend it in. Take your e.l.f. compact. Bake it. I'll dust this away later. Then I'm going to take my shadow. And just go over my eyes. Okay. I'm going to take one of my brushes right here. Take my contour palette, circle it in the highlight area, and just kind of highlight the brow bone and the inner eye. Alright, then next we're going to go for the contour. I do the middle. I go under my cheekbones, then I highlight up here, or contour it up here, create a shadow, and then do it down here. Okay, bronzer. And I just kind of go right beneath that line for my forehead and right over that line for my cheekbones. And I like to make sure I get my neck blended in. Blush, peach. Mix it with a little bronze. Okay, and then I'm going to tint my brows really quick. Oh, I forgot to tell you what mascara I use. I kind of just change it around based on like what's on sale at Target. I know that's terrible. I used to use, oh gosh, I can't remember, but I'll link it. It was like Big Sexy Lashes or something, and it was great, but it was $30, and I was going through it way too fast. I'm not gonna lie, this isn't gonna be a great lash job because I've actually never videoed it before. To wipe away some excess. Okay. I'm just gonna wipe away the excess that I got on myself. Take a lip pencil. Do a quick outline. Gloss. And then you're going to take your little duster brush and just kind of sweep away that baked goodness. Blend it if you need. That's all. Well, I don't even think the timer's gone off yet. Well, I forgot to show you, this is the mascara I'm using right now. I'm not crazy for it. I probably won't buy it again. Should I run out the timer? Oh, and this is another thing I love, and I showed it in my blog today. But I have a little pimple right here, so I'll just dab it. And it almost like makes it disappear. So that's all. That's my 5-minute makeup routine. The brushes I've used are an angled one from Sephora, Bella Pro blush brush, a BC blending brush, and this is my Bella bronzer. So those are good. And then I used a Precision Beauty for the whites around there. Echo, how much time left? It's 5 minutes. Echo off. Okay guys, thanks for joining me for my 5-minute makeup tutorial. It really did take way less than 5 minutes. You're busy, let's get out the door. Have a great Wednesday, and I think it's 4th of July, so happy 4th of July.